Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add clickable button in Gmail. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add clickable button in Gmail. First, just go to Google and then type in the search bar Chrome Web Store, and here is the first link. After that, type in the search bar Gmail button, and you will find this extension, Gmail button by Cloud HQ. Click on it. After that, click Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's done. After that, just go to Gmail and here go to Compose just to send email. For example, I send email to, okay, for example, to this person, and then subject hello. Okay, and now here just type whatever you want. And to add the clickable button, you see here insert button. After we add the extension, we get this one. Just click on it. After that, select button, and here text to display, click me. For example, I type Facebook, and then to which URL should this button refer, and here for example www.facebook.com, and here you can change the background color, but it's okay, fine, blue, since Facebook is blue, but you can change the color, you can change text color, you can customize here what you want. Okay, I just will leave everything the same. After that, click insert into email, and you see here is the clickable button, and now if they click this button will redirect them to Facebook. After that, just click send as normal. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add clickable button in Gmail. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.